So we have the fog lights from Diode Dynamics. I got the ones that had more of a ditch light bracket to them, so I can mount them on my bumper. And then I got a harness that goes from the fog lights into the OEM fog harness. So first we're going to put the light into the bracket. So put that in. Make sure we know which side of the light is up. And then we will put a little washer on the end of the bolt and thread it in. And then we'll do the same to the other side. Okay, there we go. Thread that in. Find what Allen key we need. There. Get those snug. And then grab big bolt. Put it in. And then we will take it down into the fog light mount, like so, and then put, wait, this is going to be difficult. I didn't think this one through. Okay. So you got to feed them in through the back. So it goes washer, then lock washer, then nut. So got those two on. And then you take this last. This is going to be difficult. Okay, and then it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Got it. I'll just get everything somewhat tightened now, and then I can determine the orientation that I want everything to be later.
You guys are hungry. We picked up the takeaway from Papa Murphy's. Huh? Huh? Okay.
Have this, which will plug in to the back of the fog light, which I will tighten later, not right now. Wait for the audible click. Maybe it's not audible, but get it in there, and then feed it into your old harness. Okay, can you turn on the fog lights? just flip the dial on the side. So, I mean, you have a Subaru, you should know how it works. No, so first you're gonna have to turn on the low beams. Right. Let me put the GoPro down.
No, you just flip the switch on the side of the duct. So headlights
Are on. Can you flip? Okay. So I got the right one on right. The left one, you unplug your harness, flip the way it's plugged in, and well, now that's crooked, but there you have it. 2 working fog lights. Now I just need to determine how I want to have them angled.